Hey there, AI enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we learn AI as easy as pie, like watching a movie. This continues our previous video about Unleash the Power of FLUX AI for mind-blowing results. FLUX AI uses advanced algorithms to analyze your data, find patterns, and give you actionable insights quickly. Meet Jane, a freelance graphic designer struggling to meet the demands of her growing client base. With FLUX AI, Jane could automate 80% of her workflow, freeing up time to focus on high-level creative direction and strategy. The result? A 300% increase in her client base and a 5-fold increase in her revenue. For sure, your whole body will tremble, your brain will explode, and you will definitely be blown away if you learn that. FLUX AI transforms your messy desk into a neat, organized workspace. Wow, this is incredible. Hold on. FLUX AI doesn't just organize your data. It helps you make smarter decisions, predict trends, and even automate tasks. It's like having a personal assistant who never takes a coffee break. Enter the FLUX AI image generator. This tool is like having Picasso in your pocket. It uses advanced algorithms to generate stunning images that can take your creative projects to the next level. The FLUX AI image generator is not just for artists. It's a versatile tool that can be used in various fields from marketing to education. Imagine creating eye-catching visuals for your presentations or social media posts without breaking a sweat. There are those who are overly curious and like to pry, and there are also those who don't seem to bother much. The question is, what can we gain from this? Imagine having a super talented artist friend who can draw anything you describe, but instead of a person, it's a computer program. That's essentially what FLUX AI does. You type in a description, and voila, the AI creates an image that matches your words. Uses and advantages. FLUX AI has several cool features that make it stand out. Quality. It's like having a master painter at your fingertips. The images it produces are incredibly detailed and high quality. Accuracy. FLUX AI is good at understanding what you want. It's like it can read your mind and translate your words into exactly the image you're imagining. Versatility. Whether you want a photorealistic image or something more artistic, FLUX AI can do it all. It's like having an entire art studio in one tool. Speed. FLUX AI works fast, especially its Schnell version, which means fast in German. It's like having a team of artists working at lightning speed. Inspiration. It can spark new ideas when you're feeling stuck. Efficiency. Save time on repetitive tasks and focus on the fun parts of creating. Skill enhancement. Learn new techniques and styles by seeing how the AI modifies your work. Some examples. Let's say you type in a female warrior with red hair wearing a mask. FLUX AI would create a detailed image matching this description. Or maybe you want a futuristic city road with flying cars and neon lights. FLUX AI would whip up a vibrant scene that looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Concept art. Imagine you're designing a character for a video game. FLUX AI can help you quickly generate different looks and styles until you find the perfect one. Digital painting. If you're working on a digital painting, FLUX AI can suggest color palettes and add intricate details, making your artwork look more polished. Graphic design. Need to create a logo or a poster? FLUX AI can provide design suggestions and help you refine your ideas. Just go ahead and check it out. What's the worst that could happen, right? Don't be a chicken. Automation is the name of the game. FLUX AI can be used to automatically generate realistic product images for e-commerce listings, automatically post the AI-generated images to social platforms, generating custom avatars for new user profiles, create dynamic backgrounds and textures, and can be integrated with automation platforms to create powerful workflows. But that's not all. FLUX AI also excels in predictive analytics, helping you make data-driven decisions with ease. Think of FLUX AI as your fortune teller, but with data. It can analyze past trends and predict future outcomes, making it an invaluable asset for businesses. FLUX AI can help you stay ahead of the curve. FLUX AI's predictive analytics has significant applications across finance, healthcare, and retail sectors. In the finance industry, FLUX AI's predictive analytics can identify potential fraud and detect anomalies in financial transactions. Analyze large financial data sets to uncover valuable insights and trends, and enable data-driven decision-making and optimization of operations. For healthcare applications, FLUX AI's technology can analyze large medical data sets to identify patterns and trends, aid in disease prevention and treatment planning, and potentially assist with medical imaging analysis and diagnostics. In the retail sector, FLUX AI's predictive analytics offers numerous benefits. Personalize the shopping experience by tailoring product offerings, resulting in improvement in aligning products with customer preferences. Optimize store layouts, leading to increase in layout intuitiveness and improved customer navigation. Increase overall sales through personalized offerings and higher conversion rates. Boost customer satisfaction with improvement in satisfaction ratings. Power AI chatbots to provide personalized shopping experiences and product recommendations. Analyze consumer data to uncover insights on purchasing trends. Forecast customer demand and company performance. Design targeted promotions that are useful to shoppers. Offer product suggestions that customers find valuable. Oh, buckle up. If you don't get this, you could be staring at a pile of gold. And there you are, thinking it's just some fancy copper. FLUX AI's predictive analytics solutions focus on leveraging artificial intelligence to automate processes, continuously learn and improve algorithms, and provide data-driven insights to inform business strategy across these industries. By implementing these AI-driven solutions, companies can achieve significant ROI increase after implementing FLUX AI's predictive analytics in their retail operations. The future of AI will likely see the integration of generative models that can create tailored solutions across various sectors. What can we learn from this? To unleash the full power of FLUX AI means revolutionizing your workflow, amplifying your creativity, and achieving results that were previously unimaginable. It means joining the forefront of innovation and rewriting the rules of what's possible. Not only that, but it's a versatile tool that can be used in various industries, making it a must-have for anyone looking to harness the power of AI. FLUX AI is changing the game for artists, designers, and anyone who needs to create visual content. It's making it possible for people to bring their ideas to life visually, even if they don't have traditional artistic skills. It's democratizing art creation, giving everyone the power to be a digital Picasso with just a few keystrokes. Isn't it great? But let's not forget that as it is called, it is just artificial intelligence after all. It still relies on the data it is fed. It's like a parrot, only as good as the data it mimics. If the data is inaccurate, the output will also be inaccurate. Artificial intelligence is no match for natural stupidity. Nothing beats good old human ingenuity, common sense, practicality, and most of all, feeling. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI the easy way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on our next adventure into the world of AI. Learn AI as easy as pie, just like watching a movie. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious and keep learning while having fun. Open up your mind and further enrich your understanding of well-researched knowledge, which is the foundation of true wisdom. Remember, it's crucial to stay updated in your chosen field to ensure success.